Hey friends, welcome back. As you can see, I'm a little worse for wear, but I'm on the mend. I had surgery a few days ago, and between the pain and the meds, I just haven't been feeling the best, but I'm finally starting to feel like myself again, and it's also a pretty nice day out. So I thought, what could be better than heading out for a little walk, and I'll catch you up on what's been going on. Gosh, I already feel so much better after being cooped up inside. Just being in nature for 10 minutes, I feel like a new person. Now I know this might look like a big mistake, but it was actually planned. If you watch some of my recent videos, you might know that I've been having some issues with my wrist. When I was biking across Europe, I took a pretty bad fall in Berlin. My wrists took most of the damage, and especially my left wrist. And just in the process of them trying to heal, they didn't heal perfectly. They healed with some issues. And so it's been a bit of a long road trying to figure out what's going on, but we're getting there, and there's a few things going on, but one of them needed to be treated with surgery, which is what I had done a few days ago. So I am still a little anxious about whether it's going to heal properly, what other issues there could be going on, but I'm also really hopeful and feel really grateful that I was able to get some treatment for it. Injuries are tough. Like they're super tough and frustrating because they're often, such a small thing that otherwise, might not really affect our lives very much. But when they affect something we really want to do, like cycling or bike touring, it can be really challenging. And I've definitely had some times over the last year and a bit that I've been really worried and really fearful because just the way the injury was, a lot of the pain that was caused from it was when I was pushing on anything, which meant, if I was on any kind of cycling handlebars, I would get really, really bad pain. If you saw my video about my Ontario fall bike trip, I had to end it early because I was just in so much pain. And I could kind of do my more upright commuter bike, but not for long stretches. It would definitely start to ache after I put in a lot of kilometers. So I've definitely been feeling that worry and fear that I might not be able to cycle or bike tour properly again. But I'm just staying hopeful. I'm doing everything the doctor told me to. I'm keeping my hand elevated, I'm wiggling my fingers. I go to see my doctor again in about a week and a half. Where we'll kind of see how things are looking, and I'll find out more about the full picture of what's going on in my wrist and what else needs to be addressed. But overall, just kind of feeling hopeful and starting to plan some little adventures, and we'll see, of course. Healing is always going to be the priority, but got some little adventures I'm dreaming up, so hopefully I can make those happen soon. So that's it. That's my update. I'm going to get back moving, back to my walk, daydreaming about my future bicycle adventures. Obviously, a certain amount of what I'm going to be able to do and when is going to depend on this beauty, but I would love to live vicariously through you, so please let me know in the comments below what bike tours you have planned or what adventures you have planned. If you want to show your support for my videos, please give this video a like. Next week, I am going to be back with a video on budget bike touring, so hit subscribe and a little bell to be notified when that one comes out, and you can also follow me on Instagram at sheila.daily. Thanks, have a good one, bye.